Now to create access rules, we can head over to the Access Management tab. This is done by going to the plus and selecting Access Management. From here on the right, we can see our access rules with the two sections ready and incomplete. We can also see the current access rules we have created with a breakdown of the number of card holders, number of doors, and number of schedules in each rule. Clicking add lets us create a new access rule. Here I'll give the name guest rule and click next. We can see our first section with the card holders and groups, and by clicking add we can choose which card holders or groups we want to have in this rule. Next we have the doors and zones, and again by clicking add we can choose which doors we wish to have in the system. And finally we have the schedules, where we can click add and choose the schedules we wish to have in this rule. Once we're happy, we can then click save. You'll notice that the access rule does not end up in the ready list. So by clicking complete, we can now see our guest rule and what we are missing, which here I didn't add any doors. Selecting this rule and clicking edit takes us back to the original menu. From here, I can go to doors, click add and select the guest room. Once happy, we can then click save. And now we can see the guest rule in the ready and active access rules and removed from the incomplete. We can also highlight anyone from the cardholders and groups list. Here I'll select 2 members, and you can drag them and add them to the rule via this method. Here you can see the increase in the cardholder number.